How to fix UnRAR not uninstalling on Mac. Here's a script file that you can use to uninstall UnRAR from a Mac. #bin/bash #uninstall UnRAR on Mac #remove the UnRAR binary echo uninstallling UnRAR. sudo rmf/us/local/bin/unrar #remove the UnRAR manual page echo removing UnRAR manual page. sudo rmf/us/local/share/man/man1/unrar.1 echo UnRAR has been successfully uninstalled. Exit 0 to use the script. Open a text editor, such as TextEdit, and copy and paste the code above into a new file. Save the file with a .sh extension, example uninstall-unrar.sh. Then, open the terminal app on your Mac and navigate to the directory where you saved the script file using the cd command. For example, if you saved the file on your desktop, you can type cd/desktop and press enter. Next, make the script executable by typing the following command and pressing enter, mod+x uninstall-unrar.sh. Finally, run the script by typing the following command and pressing enter, /uninstall unrar.sh. Follow the prompts to uninstall UnRAR from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.